a bunny. A bunny. Bunny. Look, the bunny is pink. Bunny. The bunny is so soft. Look, the bunny has long ears. Wow. Bunnies come out to play in the spring. They like to hop in the grass. Hop, 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 hop. What's that? Bunny wants to eat. Do you know what bunnies like to eat? What would you like to eat, Bunny? Carrots? Wow. I have a carrot right here. Carrot. Bunnies like to eat carrots. Do you want to eat this carrot, Bunny? Yes? Okay. Say, please. Please. Bunny says, please. Good job, Bunny. Let's eat the carrot. Eat. Bunny says, thank you. Thank you. Was that good, Bunny? Was that good? Yes. Do you want more? Eat. More. Eat. Bunny says more. More. Eat. Bunny says more, please. Say please. Eat. Tell Bunny, eat the carrot. Eat the carrot. You ready? That was so good. Thank you. Bunny says thank you. It's raining outside. It's raining. Sometimes it rains in the spring. Yes, the rain comes down and it gets everything wet outside. And it waters the trees and the flowers. Yes, but what happens when we want to go outside in the rain? We have to wear some special clothes. Let's see. We need a rain jacket and an umbrella. Yes! Let's get our rain jacket and put it on. Let's get out our spider fingers. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider crawled up the spout again. Yay! Good job! Okay, so in order to go out in the rain, we have to put our raincoat on. My raincoat is blue and it has a hood on it so I can protect my head from the rain. Let's put it on. On one arm and 2 arms. And let's take out the hood. Yay! My raincoat is going to keep me nice and dry. Wow! I have a hood on. Woo! All right, now let's zip the zipper. Here we go. Zip, zip, all the way up, all the way up. All done! Yay! We need our umbrella to go outside. Yes, this is an umbrella and it keeps the rain from getting us all wet. Let's open the umbrella. Open. Whoa! My umbrella is red with polka dots. Yes, it's so fun. Ready? We're gonna push this button to open it up. Ready? Open. Whoa! Wow! It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head. He couldn't wake up in the morning. Whew, now we're back inside. Let's sing a song to make the rain go away. Do you want to sing a song with me? Ready? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little friend wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. You want more? More songs? Ready? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little friend wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay! Good job! Look! The rain stopped. The rain stopped. Yay! The rain stopped. Let's sing a song so the sun can come out and play. The sun is behind the cloud. We need to sing a song so he can come out. Ready? Come out, sun. Come out so we can play. We want to play. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children want to play with you. Please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Look what I have. It's a chipmunk. Yes, chipmunk. Chipmunks kind of look like squirrels. Yeah. Do you know what chipmunks like to eat? Yes, they like to eat acorns. In the springtime, you can see chipmunks running up the trees, and they will eat acorns. So good! Chipmunks like to eat acorns, and sometimes they like to eat pine cones too. Yeah. Do you want to help feed the chipmunk an acorn? You want to eat, chipmunk? Eat? Yes. Okay. Hold out your hand with your pretend acorn. Ready? Feed the chipmunk. That was so good. Thank you. Thank you. Look, I have a book called Who's a Bunny? Who's a bunny? Do you see that bunny? Say bunny, bunny. Yes, let's read this book and see who's a bunny. Is this a bunny? Is that a bunny? No. I don't think that's a bunny. No, it's a duck. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The duck goes quack, quack, quack. That's a duck. That's not a bunny. Is this a bunny? Is that a bunny? I wonder. Let's find out. No. It's a bear. It's a bear. That's not a bunny. The bear goes Grrr, grrr. The bear goes, grrr. Can you do that? Grrr. Yes. Is this a bunny? Is this a bunny? No, it's a frog. Frogs go ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Is this a bunny? Is this a bunny? No, it's a puppy. Puppy. Puppies go woof, 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 woof. Is this a bunny? I see two long ears. Let's find out. Yes, yes, this is a bunny. Yes, let's hop. Hop, 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 hop. Yes, this is a bunny. The end. Wow, that was a really good book. It looks like I caught a baby bumblebee. Baby bumblebee. Look at that. The bumblebee has wings. And look, he's yellow. And look, look at this. It's a stinger. We better not let it sting us. Oh, that would hurt really bad. I know a song about a baby bumblebee. Do you want to sing it with me? All right. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. Oh, ouch. The baby bumblebee stung me. Oh, do you want more? 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 Okay, ready? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me! Oh no! We got stung by the bumblebee. Do you want more? Yes! Okay. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, it's icky. Do you want more? Do you want more? More bumblebee. More bumblebee. More. Yes. One more time. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, it's icky. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee.